Hello everyone, welcome back. On today's video I'm going to make this quilted Christmas tree, and these are the materials that I'll be using. The measurement of the styrofoam is 9 inches tall and at the most 5 inches of width. Here I'm using a velvet green 2-inch ribbon. I'm placing that in the middle, as you can see, and then I'm taking one of the fabric squares. All the fabric squares, I cut them 2.5 by 2.5 inches and fold them in triangles. And in this case I'm using a push pin on the top point of the triangle, and that way I'll hold the piece on place, but at the same time I'm embellishing the ornament. And then I'm using head pins on the bottom part of the triangle. I'm using the green plaid fabric, or triangle in this case, that I placed at the bottom. I'm using that one as my guide on where I'm going to place the triangles that go on the sides up towards the star of the Christmas tree. The second row of triangles, I'm putting it 1/4 of an inch below the first line of triangles. Now the third roll of fabric, in this case the green plaid, I'm putting it 3/8 of an inch below the top of the red triangle. another row of red triangles, and I'm also going to leave 3/8 of a distance from the top of the green triangle. Now for the last row of fabrics, in this case the white one, I'm going to put it half an inch below the red triangles, but still you need to play with it on this area when I'm working. You shouldn't leave half an inch because the triangle shape of this area is smaller, so maybe you can leave 1/4 of an inch. That way you can see some of that fabric. Sorry guys, I thought I was filming making the other side of the Christmas tree and I wasn't, but you have to do exactly the same thing as this side we started working on. Here I'm going to use a red ribbon and the measurement is 5/8. The width of the styrofoam is 1 inch, so if you can use a 1 inch ribbon, I think it will be better. Here I'm using this ribbon as I do on my Christmas balls ornament. It's too high where the fabric meets and at the same time hide all those pins. and a push pin to put it in the center where the ribbon trim meets on the star. And you're gonna see later on I also use it on the center on top of the green velvet fabric to embellish it. Here what I'm doing is I just noticed that I didn't hide the green fabric from the star, and you can see the raw edges. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a piece of the green velvet ribbon and put it on top. That way I can hide that edge of that fabric. Now I'm going to use this ribbon trim, and I'm going to put it right on top of the red ribbon that I put on the side. And this one is going to help me cover the pins that I use for the red ribbon, because I'm holding this ribbon trim with the gold push pins. If you get a chance to make this, it's a little bit tricky, so be patient with it. So I hope it comes out beautiful. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Happy holidays everyone.